Welcome to the Getting Started guide for QuNect Odbc for QuickBase. The first step is to download QuNect Odbc for QuickBase. It's a small file, just a little bit less than 2 megabytes, and then run the file. The installation is very quick. The next step is to click on the Start menu and type Odbc. That'll let you find the 64-bit Odbc Administrator control panel. Then you can configure the DSNs that the installer has created. Click on QuickBase via QuNect User, click Configure, and you're going to want to figure out what to put in here for your username. That's the first step. In order to do that, we'll have to go to the browser and log into QuickBase. I'm going to go to my QuickBase homepage, which is qnect.quickbase.com. Your URL will be different. Here I am logged in, and we go up here to the upper right corner, and this text right here in light gray is your QuickBase username. Type in your username here. Now we have to choose an authentication method. I would recommend user token, as it's the easiest one to get started with. In order to find a user token, we have to go back to the browser. Back at the browser, we once again go to the upper right corner and we click on My Preferences. Scroll down a little bit and you'll find a link, Manage My User Tokens. Here we can see that no user tokens currently exist in this realm for this user. We can click on New User Token and we can give it a name. I'm going to call mine QuNect, but it doesn't matter, you can call yours whatever you like. The important thing is that you choose at least one application from this list. This is a list of applications you have access to, and you can choose up to 20 of them, but you don't have to choose 20, you can choose a subset. And then you click Save. This is your user token. Copy that to the clipboard and we paste it here. The third piece of information we need is the QuickBase server. Once again, let's go back to the browser. The QuickBase server is this part of the URL on any QuickBase page that you happen to be on. It starts after the // and goes all the way up to the next //. So copy that to the clipboard and paste the QuickBase server here. Now we're ready to test our connection. And as you can see, we have a successful connection. Now that we've configured this user DSN, we can dismiss this dialog and move on to the system DSNs. You're going to need administrator privileges on your machine to be able to configure this DSN. The procedure for configuring it is identical to what we just did. You need to fill in the username, the user token, and the QuickBase server. That completes the configuration of 64-bit DSNs, but there's another Odbc control panel that we can find by typing Odbc after clicking on the Start button. And that's right here, the 32-bit Odbc Admin. It looks identical to the 64-bit. The only way you can tell which one you're in is to go to the Drivers tab and then scroll down to the queues. And here you have the version number for QuNect Odbc for QuickBase. If it starts with a 3, you're in the 32-bit control panel. If it starts with a 6, you're in the 64-bit control panel. The important part here is that you need to configure your user DSN, and if you have admin privileges, you need to configure your system DSN. It's identical. The dialog looks exactly the same. You need to fill in your username, the user token, and the QuickBase server. That wraps up our Getting Started guide. There are many other videos that explain other aspects of QuNect Odbc for QuickBase that I encourage you to watch. But this will get you started so that you can connect to QuickBase, whether it's from SQL Server, Tableau, Power BI, Excel, Crystal Reports, or many other applications. You're ready to go. Thank you.